Hey, what's up, guys? It's Will Black here. Good to meet you. Good to see you. Good to be painting with you today. You know what? We have some fun stuff going on. So I'm pouring and I'm trying a different mix of stuff today than I usually do. Um, and I am so confident in my cleaning ability that these are my normal street clothes. But we got a lot of things going on today. Oh, guess what? As of this moment, right before, as of recording right now, we have 4,660 some odd subscribers. We're getting really close to 5,000. So, you know what? I know a lot of you showed interest in the starting your own painting, a pouring channel. I'm going to give away a Logitech uh, C930, 920, C920. So it's a thing to show your art and stuff. So once we get to 5,000, which isn't that far away, I'll give away a Logitech C920. And I'm getting kind of excited about it, guys. I don't know, it's pretty wild. Anyway, so let's switch over to the art cam, and here we go. Not yet, but we're getting closer to it. Here we go. Paint time. Art cam. Go. Transition. Go. Transition, go. Okay, so these are all the things that I've used to get the colors the way they are. I've used silver, deep red, metallic blue, metallic cobalt blue, Bombay grass green, India ink, and Payne's gray. So 2 Daler and Roundies, 4 artists loft because of the titanium white, and then the grass green to pull a little crazy, to make these two colors jive a little bit better. Anyway, so all that said and done, let me get these out of the way and we can start to our business. So I slightly greened up our metallic cobalt, and then I slightly greened up our metallic blue, just so they, I don't know, that they fit better. You can't even tell the green. Ooh, 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 ooh. Paint time. Art cam. Art cam. All right. Green. There's more green in there. It's so odd sometimes. Okay, green. More green. More green. Oh no, too much green. All right, so that's pretty close to true. And so there's the 2 blues. They go a little bit better together than after I green them up. And this is our red. And here's our Payne's gray. I put a bit of titanium white in silver. That one, and perhaps that one. I don't remember. But yeah, it doesn't really matter that much anyway. So let's get out our pour cup. Pour cup. Is that going to be enough? Yeah. So I'm going to spritz the cup with just a bit of WD-40 so we get all of the paint that's in here out onto the canvas. Yep, there we go. Just a little bit of spritz right there. We're going to use the Payne's gray as the base of this canvas. I'm looking for a dramatic thing. I want the colors to pop up against the darker background. I didn't make a ton of it. I recently started mixing my paints a little bit different. So I've always used a mix between artist paints and house paints. You know, and it's worked. But I recently tried just using artist paints and using some PVAC, some Pine Valley acrylic paints to go with it. See, this is silver, but it looks gray on the cam. It looks like gray and almost black-ish. The only thing I'm worried about on this one is the red being too thick. I put some water in it and thinned it down, but I'm not sure that I thinned it down enough. I've been trying, okay, so back to the thing I was saying. I've been trying to use more, a thicker way of mixing my colors. So I use Floetrol, PVA glue, so regular Elmer's glue all, and some other stuff. Here, let's get a little bit more red and stuff in there. Get you in there. The last of this blue here. Get in there. Get in there, get in there. Okay, good. And last of this blue here. Oh, that's nice. And the last of the silver. And I know it's probably driving some of you nuts that I keep wiping this. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna have to do a palette knife painting sometime. I really like the way some of those interact with each other. Oh. There we go. All right, so you ready? Oh, wait. Oh man, I forgot the silicone. Well, yeah, that's just gonna be what it is. Okay. There's some in here, so I love how you can kind of watch it pull off, and so you know you've used up all your paint. I don't know. Look at the inside of the cup again. Holy cow. Oh, sorry. Right before I record, I play like a jam track, stuff that I know is going to put me in a great, entertaining, fun mood. And so that way, every time I get on, you're not going to have to wonder what mood Will is going to be on, because almost always I have listened to the funnest mix known to man. Well, known to me. Look at all those cells. I didn't even need any of the blowtorch. Ha, let's blowtorch it anyway. More cells. But really, I'm just trying to pop the air bubbles. Because I do see a few across here. Okay, let's start tilting. Some good stuff here. Let's see how much of it we can keep. Man, I'm not sure how much I'm going to keep. I don't think I made enough. Before we go any further. Corner catcher. Oh, man. All right. So, Yupo paper. It's a lot of Yupo to use for this, but... Oh. bought a rolling thing. It was cheap, so I'm just gonna roll off a little cut thing here. Probably just cut right through my mat, but then I don't have to waste the whole thing. I love the way some of these cells are forming up. Oh my goodness. Okay, but I can't lose too much paint. I need to lose some off the corners just because of the way I added some stuff onto the edges. But hopefully I won't lose too much. Oh, I'm going to tilt away all my cells. I know it. I feel it in my bones. All right. This is a little nerve-wracking for me, to be honest, because I really incredibly like those cells in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Love, adore, fantastic, amazing, super cool, and all those other adjectives that would describe stuff you like. I like those. I can already see some of these. You know what's funny? When I first started doing this, oh man, I really had no idea what I was doing. And I built the drying rack, and I was like, I don't know if I'm going to be good at this, but I just want to do it. Because, you know, Anne-Marie made it look so much fun. I was like, I want to do that! And create beautiful things and... Oh, well then. Well then, well then. Totally digging this one, guys. Totally digging this one. Oh, yeah. Okay. Come on. Come on. Trying to wet the leading edge of the paint so it decides to flow easier. And I love this, but it's got to go. Okay. Just a touch more this way. Whew. Guys, we made it. It's awesome, and we made it. Holy cow. I cannot believe we pulled that out and made it look awesome and not completely jacked up. And out of all the times I shouldn't have painted in my street clothes, this is the one. All right. Okay. Let's see. I do see a few air bubbles here. I'm just using the glare of the light to come across. I really don't want any more cells. Like, not a one. but that's not going to be possible, unfortunately. Huh. Start fire. How did I drop paint? I dropped paint up in the tip of my... I wonder if that's what's doing it. No me gusta. This might be the end of this torch. I'm sure it won't be, but it might be. Dang it! Oh, I don't like it. So, not happy. I can see there's a, like this, I covered over this electric thing. And I wouldn't record all this, except I don't know how to stop my recording and then start recording again. So, but we're seconds away from being back to flame, perhaps. Hey! Awesome. So good. Oh, guys, I love this one. I really do. Yeah, that's good. I like it. Just pick up some of these little bitty dots here. And there's something to be said for... Okay, so this is a hypothesis because I've never tested it out. Well, I mean, other than the last 2 times that I've tried heavier paints. But I wonder if you try to go the heaviest paint you can go and still have it be runny without it breaking up. Like the heaviest it'll go without breaking up. I don't know if that's a thing that would be... I'm going to try it. I'm going to keep trying it over the next few pours and see if it kind of works out better that way. Just going through and covering up the white. I didn't have enough paint to completely tilt over each of the edges, so I had to come back through and get it. Sorry, my head's in the way. It's huge. It's like Sputnik. I'm going to bring the painting closer to see what we can see. So... this area. Oh, I just love that right there. And that, I like the gray over the red. I don't know if you can catch the pigment. There's a bit of metallic, but you kind of got to just catch it in the perfectly right light. Like here, right here, some of these are edged in metallic, and you catch it like it's a double outline, but you don't catch it unless it's in the light just perfectly, which is kind of cool. Okay, anyway, that's enough. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to figure out how to do the giveaway for when we hit 5,000, which we're not that far away. Really, and it seems like the closer we get to it, the faster it goes. So I'm going to figure that out within the next couple days. Maybe some sort of like, I don't know how to work it, but yeah, it'll be awesome. And thanks so much for watching. Would you do me a favor, hit the like button or subscribe if you haven't joined us yet. Helps get to our goal. Other than that, thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye. Okay, not bye yet. Hold on. Okay, bye for real.